Now let us see the diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. So we will be doing similarities between lithium and magnesium. So we know that lithium belongs to group 1 alkali and magnesium belongs to group 2 alkaline earth metals. The main reason is that their atomic sizes are similar, comparable. Like lithium's atomic size is 152 picometer and magnesium's atomic size is 160 picometer. So almost approximately very similar, very close in the sizes. Their ionic sizes also are very similar, like lithium ion size is 76 picometer, whereas magnesium's ionic size is 72 picometer. So again, very close in their ionic sizes. That is why their properties, most of the properties are very, very similar. Like, let us see, the list is like this. Like, they both are equally hard and almost equally hard, and they are lighter than the rest of their group elements, so very light in their as far as the density is concerned. Second is, they both react with water very slowly, not very vigorously, and and even with the oxygen they react very slowly. Both of these forms, along with the oxide, nitrides also, when they actually are heated in air. So lithium forms this type of nitride and magnesium form this type of nitride. So these are the formulas of the nitride which are formed. Now what we need to know along with this is that both of their oxides and hydroxides are lesser soluble in water in comparison to what we are having of the rest of the elements. So that is how both of them are having their oxides and hydroxides less soluble in water. So these are then the major similarities. Then we have both form oxides. See, we know that alkalis forms peroxide and superoxide. It's only the lithium one which forms oxide. Magnesium also forms oxide. So that's again, it's a very similar behavior. Now, their carbonates like lithium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, they both decomposes on heating to their respective oxides. And then at last, what we can say is that their lithium chloride and magnesium chloride, both are having covalent characters. They are soluble in alcohol. And what we find is that both of these chlorides, metal chloride salts, are deliquescent. They exist in the form of hydrated salt like LiCl2H2O and MgCl2 8H2O. So that is how we find that these are their major points of similarities between lithium and magnesium.